Still got fishing show. Gonna get started. I got quick moments just we're gonna start for 5 minutes. Show last shot. We're filming playing Gorma, so day 7 the Bluebell Festival. We were at the Irish course this morning. I just want to also let you know tonight big show crew muggy, so we'll have our concert with local singers Lee Dunrigby and Brendan Kerr. It'll be in Glory Mona at 7. So find a boss over fans, bring your swell as well. So and use the 3 level again, the 3 levels as well, plus you right, Arning's group with Scotia in here. The bun rag is going to be with Jerry, not the show or yes, it's out of the right. And the man rag will be in the big hall and using styles to cover as well for Will Matt do of it?
Yeah, Matt do of it.
Maybe will Matt do of it? Will Matt do of it? Well, an Hampshire go my bar best. Well, an Hampshire go my. Hampshire Michael Lord.